quick note, we now have 2 official YouTube channels. We have Lafayette West Coast Swing, and we have a new separate YouTube channel just for practice music. It's called West Coast Swing Timing Practice. And so basically, Jordan was asking for help with her timing, and I just recorded my voice saying the 6 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 over songs. So if you have any suggestions on songs you want me to add for that, just write it in the comments of the YouTube channel. The link is at our website, LafayetteWCS.com. There's a page called Learn at Home. You just click that, and there's a little thing that says Playlists. And then at the very bottom, we have a playlist of our weekly recaps. That's on our Lafayette West Coast Swing channel. And then the playlist with the practice music, that is West Coast Swing Timing Practice. All right, but the recap. So today we did a variation, but in the level 1 class we did a sugar push. Level 2 class we did kind of a recap on the sugar tuck. Sugar tuck looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. On the other side, there you go. Looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now, for the leaders, your footwork does not change, thankfully. So it's just going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Same footwork as the sugar push for the leaders. The difference is your hands, right? So for leaders, 1, 2. At 2, your hands kind of going up to about her eye level, forehead level. 3 and 4-ish is kind of like you're cooking, like you're stirring a gumbo or a roux, I guess. And then 5, we want to be very clear, we do not, please, do not yank that hand down. That can cause injury. We gradually bring that hand down. And then at 6, we kind of just go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. We end in that weird hand position. That is okay. To fix it, you can just flip your hand over, go back to sugar push, or you can fix it with a right side pass, right? So that looks like hand position for leaders. Goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Fix it by flipping your hand over, or do 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 with a right side pass, which we did not cover today, but the videos are on YouTube for you guys. Or you can kind of just do a sugar push off of this 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kind of just flip it like that. Or you could do a sugar push without doing anything to your hands. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right, and can you walk the follows through the footwork? Sugar tuck.
Sugar tuck. It's just gonna be 1, 2, 3, and on 4 we're stepping out. We're turning around, settling 5 and 6. And if you're having some trouble balancing on that turn, you can step out a little bit earlier. So we're doing 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can step 5 a little earlier, and 6. And for the hand placement, it's just going to be following where your leader takes you. Your hand's going to be up here by 2. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. It'll slowly drop down.
A quick note on the hand position. So for the follows, that hand position is straight, but for the leaders, blinkers or turning signals like a car, if you have your hand rotated this way, not this, like kind of slight, it helps the follows know and indicate as a signal you want them to spin that way. If you have your hands rotated this way to your right, it tells the follows that you're going to be spinning them that way. Now, the variations that we did, again, I don't expect you guys to master this today, but I think you guys all did really well. But the variation basically looks like it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Again, from this position, looks like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And all we're doing is a variation on that 5 and 6. So for leaders, it's off the sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4 remains the same. You step with the right foot out or a pop for 5. I like to have heel down, where you can lift it up. I think heel down is easier. Up, turn, down. 5 and 6. So it goes 5 and 6. And that's it. For the follows?
Sure. So it's just going to be regular sugar push. For the first part, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. On 5, we're going to step out this way, kind of framing our body a little bit towards that direction. And then we're going to pivot. We're going to land Still keeping that arm in the same position so that we're not bringing our leader anywhere. We're keeping it right where it is.
Awesome. And keep in mind, you can do this at the same time, followers and leaders. You can do only leaders, you can do only followers. Up to you guys. But thank you guys for coming, and
Thank
thank
you.
you guys for running.